In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a resume and make it visible on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, navigate to the LinkedIn website on your preferred browser and log in with your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage where you can begin the process of uploading your resume. Next, access your profile by clicking on the Me icon located at the top of the homepage. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select View Profile. You should now be looking at your LinkedIn profile, where you can showcase your professional achievements and experiences. Now it's time to enter Edit mode. To do this, locate the pen icon, which is the edit tool on your profile page. When you click on this icon, it will open the various editable sections of your profile, allowing you to make changes. If you want to upload your resume directly from here, look for an option that says Add Media. However, if you don't see this option right away in the edit window, don't worry, you can follow a few additional steps to find it. To add your resume, first click the Add Profile section button on your main profile page. This will reveal a menu with different categories you can enhance on your profile. Scroll down until you see the recommended category, and from there select the option Add Features. Here, you'll now move to the featured section of your profile. Click on the plus icon on the featured page. This action will give you a chance to add media. Now you'll need to select your resume file. Browse through your device to find the document you would like to upload. It's important to note that using a PDF format for your resume is recommended, as it tends to provide the best compatibility and will keep your formatting intact when viewed by others. Once you've found your resume file, click on it to select it, and then click the Open button. Now you should see that it's ready to be added to your profile. The next step is to finalize this action by clicking on the Share or Save button. This will make your resume visible to those who visit your profile. And just like that, your resume is uploaded and shared. By completing this process, you are enhancing your LinkedIn profile and making a strong statement to potential employers. Remember, keeping your profile up to date, including the resume that accurately reflects your skills and experiences, is key in showcasing your professional brand on LinkedIn. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found it helpful and feel empowered to enhance your LinkedIn presence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips in the future.